slight bend in your arms, and you want to take your time. Let's go ahead and back this vehicle out, and let's talk about this a little bit, okay? This car does have a backup camera. It is push to start. I have my seatbelt on, so I'm looking at the camera. You should be able to see it now. I'm looking, and I'm going back slow, taking my time, always looking, being patient, okay? Always looking around. So you want to look. You have the backup camera there to assist, but you still have to look. This car does have sensors also too, so I'm turning, I'm looking, and then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and then I turn out hand over hand. When you're driving through any neighborhood, you got to scan left, middle, right. I see the lady down there. I see the trash coming. Look ahead. See what's going on. You got to have your mirrors adjusted properly. You see me looking, having good hand placement on the steering wheel. I'm at a chilled 17 miles an hour, looking ahead, being aware, being chilled, and I want to do my best work. Scanning. Use your eyes. This allows you to see hazards. You see me looking, always checking. It's kind of windy. You see the flags blowing. Use some of those indicators to help you. So I'm turning on my left turn signal. I'm going up to the edge, and then I have my complete stop. But now the sign is blocking my view. I've got to move forward, right? I move forward, I move up. And then I'm looking and I'm scanning. So I'm gonna wait for these cars to go by. It's called a gap or space. We're lucky we can come out. So I'm looking, and then I turn into the nearest lane, which is right here. I'm looking ahead. We're scanning. I'm looking at the intersection. The speed limit here is 50, so I'm up to about 45. I'm not looking down the speedometer. During lunch, you see that car?